Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, this is the favorite product I have been waiting for. Out of all the new Samsung announcements, this is the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. And this is one the idea of having a 2 to 3 day battery life is so exciting for me, and that is the big upgrade from the Galaxy Watch 4. So I am very excited to go ahead and take a look. Let's go ahead and open this up and see how it goes. And there we have it. So compared to the Galaxy Watch 4, this one is slightly smaller than the Classic in terms of millimeters. If I'm not mistaken, it's 1 millimeter smaller, but it does have a new buckle, which is unique. So this is, I believe, what they call the D buckle. So I'm very curious to see how this will exactly fit and how it works. I will test that out, but let's go ahead and power it on and show you guys. So no more physical bezel. So you do have this ring, which should actually keep it protected. It's actually pretty shallow underneath that. So that is nice. It actually goes deep on the bottom right there. So it actually is further away from this display than the Galaxy Watch 4. So I am happy to see that. However, I don't see a difference really in the screen size. So that millimeter difference is really just not very pronounced. But yeah, guys, I am really excited for this one. Again, this one is going to be just the one that I think most people are going to benefit from getting just because of the longer battery life compared to the Galaxy Watch 4. So that is the really exciting part for sure. And something very important to note, and that is that they both have the same millimeter band. So you can actually swap out your old band from the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic to the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. They're both 20 millimeters. So very excited about that. Let me go ahead and start this one up, and then we will see what it looks like. All right, so I set it up and used it all yesterday, and I have to say I'm very happy with the battery life so far upon first impressions. I had to reset it twice because I first connected it to my Note 22 or S22 Ultra and to my Fold 4. And even with that, starting at 74% on the second day, I'm at 21%. So easily getting 2 days then for sure, no problem. But we'll have to see if we can squeeze 3 out of it. I'm gonna see what tricks I can do to improve the battery life. The one thing I will say is that I do like the feel of this band that comes with it, the deep buckle band, but I will say that I do not like this for chargers. It's usually impossible to lay this on a flat charger because of the bottom. So you either have to unhook it, which you can do, of course, you just have to unhook the entire bottom strap, or swap it out for a band like this. For charging purposes, I don't like this, and I wish they had thought of some way to simply release it instead of having to release the whole thing. That's my 2 cents on it. By the way, in here, we didn't go into the box, is going to be the charger, so your charger is in here. It doesn't come with the USB, it comes with only the USB, but does not come with the wall adapter. But so far, very happy with the battery life so far on this. I do like the look more and more. It really does feel more like a fitness kind of style, I will say. Already missed the rotating bezel though. I found myself constantly going like this the first day, so we will see if I can get used to it. All right, guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and what do you want to see for the full review and possibly even tips and tricks. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy.
Thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Also, follow me on social media at YouTube Tech Guy. And check out some more great tech videos on your screen right now.